Hello, Cokodivers! We're back.
We're new.
We're new. It's been
It's been
while
so long.
since we uploaded
Last-
YouTube video together.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, my name is Jay.
My name's Erica,
We
and
are
we are COKODIVE.
We are so excited to see this
New. I don't know if you
very
have noticed.
special Hangul keyboard.
Hangul keyboard.
Yes.
So Hangul means Korean, as some of you may know, some of you may not. So this keyboard is specially made for and with BTS.
And I can actually see BTS in Hangul here.
Yeah, the
방탄소년단.
방탄소년단.
Wow.
Wow.
So we just got it in the warehouse and in the office.
Yes, and we are very excited to open it because
very brand new one.
I really love different keyboards.
Erica really loves it.
I really do because all the keyboard has different features and different special designs, and I think this may be one of my favorites.
Oh, then you're gonna take it.
Of course.
Okay, I was
This
gonna
is
take
mine.
it.
No, this is
Actually,
mine.
we have two in the office. And what is it called? Like when the keyboard what is it?
Keyboard sound.
Enthusiast. Is it keyboard sound?
I don't know.
They really care about like keyboard. How you feel when you type it.
So there are different description that people express the feeling or the sounds of keyboard. So we don't know what this keyboard will sound like.
Right.
We'll test it out.
And compared to
What is that?
this is my keyboard.
Okay.
So I wanted to compare with this new keyboard.
Oh, it's iRiver. Yeah,
Yes,
it's a good
pretty
one.
decent one.
But I don't know. I don't like the design.
Okay.
Sorry. Okay. All right.
So we're going to unbox it.
Yes, please.
Very excited.
I can't wait.
I haven't done unboxing for a few years now.
So it will look like this. It's so colorful,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
And I think it represents BTS color.
Yes.
Purple.
Purple. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited.
Okay.
Right.
I'll cut it. I think we should cut it here.
Very carefully.
Yes. I don't
Please.
wanna ruin any.
No, even the package is
Yes.
special. Okay. And it's quite heavy. It's quite
Is
heavy and big. I wonder. Oh my
This
goodness.
just got to our warehouse, so this
know.
is like brand new, and I wish we are the first one who's unboxing this keyboard.
We are the only one.
Yeah, we're the only one.
Come on.
Only
COKODIVE is the only
place to
website,
get this
only place
Hangul keyboard.
to get this special keyboard. So
we have a few left, I guess.
yeah, only few. So that's too sad. Okay.
And are we gonna do the giveaway in the end,
Yeah,
as
of
always?
course.
For how many
Yay!
keyboard?
For
This is like not.
not
I mean, I didn't discuss this
no.
with Erica.
Well, we will have to see inside the package and determine how many.
Okay.
Okay.
So stay
Oh,
tuned till the end.
Yes.
The giveaway is coming.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow. Wow, it is heavy. It's. Why am I the only one who's
Okay, I'll do it.
okay?
I'll be much better.
Always. I don't
They
know
never
why.
know.
My hands always
If you guys
work.
go back to our old unboxing, you will see.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Wow.
Okay, so I think
at
this
that.
is the manual, right?
Okay.
It's not very
so,
simple.
on, off, and functions. Bluetooth. Oh, can you guys believe how many devices can be connected to this one
So this is
keyboard?
multi. You can connect it to multi devices.
Multi-connecting keyboard. So
Oh, right.
Bluetooth 1, 2, 3. So 3 devices can be connected
With
to this
one
keyboard.
keyboard.
Yep.
Oh, I have never
Wow.
experienced these kind
Yeah.
of function.
So what it does is if you connect all 3 devices and you just switch to different devices. So if you were using a laptop and then you
Desktop.
wanted to, switch it to a desktop, you can just press the button And if
And
you
the
want
iPad.
to, if you wanted to use the keyboard with your phones, then you
Oh.
just click the button.
Really? As well as the phone.
Oh, click the button. No, you switch the key.
Okay.
All right, so that's that.
And what is it?
Oh, they are extra key switch.
Oh.
So these ones, I think, because they are red switches, so it makes special sounds. We will try
Okay.
later on. Okay, so try not to lose it.
Okay, and this is the keyboard, so we're gonna open this
Oh
in
my
the end.
god, really?
Okay, we're
Oh,
gonna
I
open this
wanna.
in the end.
Oh,
Now, what
there's a
else do we
manual
have?
instruction. Okay.
Manual, and inside this
Do
box.
we have something inside? Oh, I see. Okay.
I guess this is just
So many different items in one package. I see.
That's the puller,
Yeah, right.
right?
This is the puller.
Is this some kind of okay,
Ah.
C-type cable. Yes, this is C-type cable. Okay.
Okay. So this one is the keycap puller. This one is the switch puller, or vice
The other,
versa.
the other
I
one.
don't know.
Okay.
We'll have to try.
And this is the C-type cable.
What is this? Okay. Oh. Okay.
Okay, I'll put this away.
What is this?
What is it?
Oh, I think you can.
Adjustable.
Right.
Height? Yes.
Okay.
High magnetic thingy.
Thingy.
Yes.
Yes.
We'll
We'll
try.
see. We'll see.
Yes. And
Hey, get rid of any,
yes. This
unpretty
must be
things.
sacred.
Get rid of
Everything.
no.
Even
get
the
rid
manual.
of everything.
Okay.
Okay. Ah.
Oh my god. I think they put a lot of effort on
Right.
making these keyboards.
Hey.
I can feel it.
Oh my goodness. Oh, so because the manual is in different languages,
Oh,
you
how
don't
many
need to
languages?
worry about, not being able to understand.
That's good news.
Right.
Okay, Erica.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Oh, okay, that was not everything.
Oh my god, I want to touch it so badly.
Okay. Oh, and this, I can feel it. This is very heavy.
Heavy, yes.
Yeah.
Because,
That means good keyboard, right?
very good
Because I'm not really into keyboards.
like this one. Oh my goodness.
Light is better.
Right.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. I can't.
Everyone.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
That is so
This
pretty.
is so incredible.
Oh, can I touch
And
it?
I heard from the what is
Oh my
it,
gosh.
manufacturer, this company.
Yeah, I don't hear you
Okay.
now.
They said, okay, I'll
No.
Yeah. They said they sent all out to all the
Oh, yeah.
all 7 BTS members.
Yeah, so this keyboard was specially made and inspired by BTS. So they have sent out all 7 keyboards to each member,
Right.
so that they can, chat with you guys.
But
or
3 of them are missing right now. They are
Yeah,
in the military.
once they come back, they will.
For the vacation.
Yeah, because these kind of things. Oh
You touched
my
it.
god!
You just
Yeah, so I would feel like I'm using the same keyboard
as BTS
as
member
BTS
is
member.
using. Oh.
Well, we don't know if they're actually
I think
using
Jin would
it.
really love to use this because he loves to play Maple Story and other games. I don't know about
Yeah.
other members. But
Other members to chat with the fans,
maybe
right?
with on Weavers or
Yeah.
yes. How does it feel?
I
Let me try.
can't describe.
Wow!
This is so soft. Hey, you've never experienced this, right? This feeling. Oh my gosh.
I think it will be very nice to do ASMR with
Yes,
this keyboard.
yes.
Do they do that
Of course.
on keyboard
I
influencers?
think we will have to, ask BTS
This is
members
crazy.
to actually do the ASMR.
Oh my god.
Guys,
I really
let's-
love it.
Let's, ask them.
Okay. And if I were to review, I think these 방탄소년단 BTS in Korean.
방탄소년단. But in the, just the alphabet letters here.
Yes.
Korean alphabet
And
letters.
here as well.
Oh my
방탄소년단.
god, that is so
That is
adorable.
very great details.
Look at that. Look at that.
Wow.
The quality. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I think
Hey, just put it away.
mine feels
Hey,
like
put it away,
yes,
please.
mine feels
I don't
like
want to look at it.
crap.
No.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry to iRiver, but wow. I
No,
think
no.
Project R they have like done it well,
Right.
so well.
So let's take a
Project R.
look at, each detail.
Mm-hmm.
So what's special about this keyboard is that, it's specially made for Hangul, right?
Oh,
Hangul.
right. I can see Hangul is really big.
Yes. And of course, all these little instructions or the, name of the keycaps are written in Hangul, Korean.
Right.
So like
But inside, can you see their
little English
English.
alphabets. Yeah.
Wow, that detail.
Right. So let's go over one by one. So this one you all know that this is called enter, right? Enter. And in Korean it says 완료. 완료.
Done. Like
Done.
enter.
Yeah. Enter. Completed or 완료.
Mhm.
And this one is so fun. Back.
Backspace,
it's
right?
backspace, right? 뒤로 가기.
뒤로
뒤로
가기.
가기. 뒤로 가기 means,
Going
go
back.
back, go back.
Mhm.
And here it's so adorable. Oh my
Wow.
gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? 첫 번째, 두 번째, 세 번째, to 아홉 번째,
Wow.
which means
It's
9.
like first, second, third,
Yeah.
fourth, fifth.
Right.
Yeah.
So not only you can easily type Korean using this keyboard, but also you can learn different words,
Right.
in Korean.
Very
시작,
fun.
시작,
start.
start.
Wow.
건너뛰기.
Oh, why? I'm wondering why space represent 방탄소년단 because it has a lot of space here. put it-
No. Oh yeah, sure, of course. And also space usually. Can you bring your ugly
Mine.
keyboard?
Hey,
Usually,
don't blame iRiver.
space don't have any letters on.
right.
Any letters
So
written
they
on.
put
So
design inside.
yeah. You
Okay.
see? Okay, let's compare.
Mhm.
So tab 건너뛰기, caps lock 잠그기,
잠그기, lock.
shift 대문자 or 기호 변환.
Oh, okay. So
That is
capital
so
letter
fun.
and changing to other.
Right. And also up, down, left, right.
위아래, 위아래.
Oh my goodness. I
왼쪽,
knew you were gonna do it.
왼쪽엔 오른쪽.
왼쪽, 오른쪽.
Left and right.
And this one, I think you will find it really, really convenient and effective to learn Korean numbers. So 하나,
Oh.
둘, 셋 means
1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And 0 is young.
Young.
Right. Oh my god.
Oh, this is so adorable.
And let me just oh my god, the feeling.
And escape. There's a BTS
Army.
logo.
Oh, BTS
This
logo,
is
yes.
BTS logo.
Yeah.
I wonder if there's an army logo, but
Yeah,
I can't find it.
Somewhere.
right
let me
here?
see. How about on the back? No?
No, not army
Huh.
sign, but BTS logo for sure.
Right. Okay, so you can take it back. No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so what's this?
Which one?
Hmm.
Oh, this says
What does it
USB and 2.4.
Ah.
2.4G? What
Oh,
is
that is the I think that is the
it? Receiver?
Yeah.
And BT is like Bluetooth, I guess.
I see. So they must have the 2.4G connector or USB.
Receiver
USB.
must have. So you can connect to your your laptop or the desktop. Is it?
Guys,
Is it this one?
that is so cute, and
This
you
is
can
the
never
receiver.
lose it.
Oh my god.
You know, there are so many times that I lost this little
So
thing.
they keep it here.
Yeah,
the
because
receiver.
you know, yeah,
Can we just put it on our laptop right away?
yeah, right away.
Oh my god.
Let's try it on.
I'm very curious how it will turn after.
Okay, that is so cute. And here is the USB, and you can turn it on and off with the switch.
Like, is it?
Oh my god! What did I do? What did I do?
You
What did
turn
I
it
do?
on.
Really?
Can I turn up the light?
Yes,
I think
please.
there's
Oh my gosh!
hazy lights from the. Oh god!
Oh, the lights are moving. Can you put it away? I don't want.
Good. Okay, but I just connect
Oh my
the
gosh!
receiver.
We don't need to actually try.
Right.
Because you know, if even if you pull it out, it will still work.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Look at that! And what's special about this keyboard is that you can change the lighting into your own. You know, you can customize your lighting.
Who said that?
I know. I know.
Oh, this is so sweet.
I know. Oh my god, it's so pretty.
I don't know how it looks like on the camera.
I can't breathe.
Yeah, it looks very pretty.
I can't breathe. Oh my god, what do I? Oh,
How does it feel?
thank you for making this amazing piece of art. Thank you.
Okay, I'll compare it because I'm not the
Really?
keyboard influencer
Okay.
as Erica.
Right. No, I'm not a
I
keyboardist.
mean, she's
I'm
not
just,
influencer, but she's lover.
Yeah,
she's
I
keyboard
just
lover.
love
She has a
different
lot of
keyboards,
keyboards.
but this
Okay,
is
this
the
is
top.
the one I use all the time in the office. I really love it. But this
Really?
one. Ah.
You got the feeling, right?
This is so great.
You know what? If you're stressed at work or if you don't want to
Oh
go
my God,
to work,
I won't get stressed.
just get this keyboard
And
so
does
that
it,
you
does it have a, what is it, the height? It's just,
Oh yes, I think it's
how
this
does it
one.
use it? I think it
I think.
must have the magnetic function.
Oh, let me just try to
Mm-hmm.
find it somewhere here. There
Wow.
must be some instructions.
This is crazy.
I know. How can they make this beautiful?
So beautiful.
Okay.
I think I can find it right away.
Yeah. Please do.
Mm-hmm.
I see. Yeah, you have to find it out so that
Yes,
you
I
know,
did.
our
I did.
Cokodivers. How did you do that?
Oh, I think you have to pull out this.
Oh my goodness!
And
That's
can
simple.
you press it another one?
Right. Oh,
Oh,
that's
okay.
simple.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Much better. I always use it. I don't have it. But I
Yeah.
prefer.
Yeah. It's much better because your wrist can relax, right?
But this is for real. This is first time unboxing, so I just figured it out. I didn't know it was here. I'm genius.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, okay. So
And you
great.
can switch from one device to another device using these 3 switches.
Really?
Here it says Bluetooth 1, BT2, BT3. So that's simple.
And what's the reason for, what is it, the
This
switcher?
one?
Yes.
So let's try to take out.
Why do we take out the letters?
Okay, so I want to be careful. Oh, I don't want to do anything, but
Please don't break it.
yeah. So this one is the
Okay.
cooler, and here you can see the switcher.
Yeah.
So if this thing it's very durable, so you don't need to worry about having it broken. But they are just spares.
There were just spares? I thought there was some reason like why we have the extra switcher. But maybe
No,
not.
they're extras.
Okay.
So,
It's the reason that it might be broken when you're using it.
but
why.
it won't get broken because they're so durable.
Mm-hmm.
You know, usually all the keycaps, all the switchers are so durable.
Okay.
But I think one of the reasons why they gave us, extra switchers is because sometimes there are many people who want to switch different keycaps.
Right.
So sometimes you may lose it. You know, while changing the keycaps and the switchers, you may be losing one of these little thingies. So that's why.
Okay.
All right. So can I? I can't. I just don't wanna let it go. Oh my gosh. So now let's be really quiet.
It's
Okay.
ASMR time.
Yes. Because pretty keyboards like this, because it's how do you say it in it's not a normal keyboard like iRiver, just like you had. It makes sounds. Many keyboards, many pretty keyboards like mechanical keyboards make loud sound. Very quiet, right?
Okay.
So this one, you can use it at home, you can use it in the office, you can even use it in the library, right? So it's very quiet. So don't talk.
Okay.
Listen.
Yes.
Even if you press it really hard, it's very quiet. So you don't need to worry about annoying other people.
Right.
Yeah?
That's for like really sensitive people, right? Yes.
No, actually, like
I don't really mind like people typing their keyboard because I wear the earphone
all the time.
Yes, that's why. Okay. They might be kind of annoying.
Yeah,
Yes,
but
yes.
regular keyboards don't usually make loud sound, but
Right.
mechanical keyboards they do. Like they have blue mechanical keyboards, red, or different type of switchers. But this one, by far, I think it's one of the most quiet keyboards.
Okay.
So, oh my gosh, and the feeling.
I think
of
Erica will have this for herself.
Yeah, so look at these big letters, like big alphabet letters in Korean.
I think it will be very good for people who's learning Korean or who's willing to learn Korean. Because you can get used to these Korean letters,
Yes.
consonant and the, what was it? Vowels and consonants.
Vowels and consonants. These are consonants, and here you have vowels. So consonants and vowels.
Yes, and if you guys have any questions on Korean, we are happy to teach you guys.
Of course. We are not teachers, but we
can
will
help
be
you.
happy to. Oh my gosh. So, not only this is pretty, but it has different functions here. Of course, we will have to study it out by the manual.
Right.
But I think this keyboard gives out so much different functions, and at the same time, really, I don't know.
And the lights.
The lights, yes.
I think I wouldn't want to turn on the light in the room.
And I think there
my
are,
God.
I don't know how many different lightings, but there,
Can we change the lighting?
yeah,
Really?
I think so. I will just, Oh, here. Could you
It
press?
has BTS on the right side. as well.
Right. Okay, so could you press this one?
Which one?
Function and this one. Okay, so let me just
Function is this?
mm,
Or this one? I guess.
Yeah.
Yes.
do you see the change?
Let me turn the light.
So you can change the lighting to go faster or slower.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
I can see the change. Right.
you do?
Yes.
Am I doing it right? I'm not very sure.
I think yeah. This
Function.
start is function. And
Really?
what do I press?
뒤로 가기.
뒤로 가기.
We are not figuring it out well. Okay. Maybe. Oh, I see. Oh, 겹쳐쓰기. Do you see 겹쳐쓰기?
Yes, here.
Okay. This is function, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think this is not
Function.
function. No, maybe this one?
Okay. That must be control.
Oh, okay. The function key. Oh! What is that?
What is it?
Ah, 여기. Here it
this
says
is
기능
function.
key. Here it says fn function.
Okay,
What
so
are we
function is-
doing? Okay.
Ah.
Oh my god.
Okay. Another one. Wow.
So that's a solo color.
Okay. And
And
겹쳐쓰기?
hmm?
Oh, wow.
What? No way.
Another one?
Oh my
It's like domino.
Oh my gosh. You can even turn it off.
How?
Function and 지우기.
지우기. Okay.
Turn
That's
it on and turn it off. 지우기. Function and 지우기.
Mhm.
Turn off. Okay. No. And then you can make it faster.
How?
Function and 오른쪽.
오른쪽.
오른쪽. Faster, faster, faster. And you can make it slower by function with 느리게.
왼쪽? 느리게?
왼쪽, 왼쪽.
왼쪽? 드드드드드드.
And you can make it lighter by
업?
pressing.
위?
Yes, up. And darker by pressing it down.
Oh my god. Okay. Works. It works.
Oh my god, that is so fun.
This is so fun.
I know.
This will be very fun for people who loves playing game.
Oh yes,
Mhm.
yes.
Oh my god.
Okay.
That is really great
I know.
functions.
I know. I can't. I think I can play with it all day and all night.
Right.
All right, so that's it.
That
That's
must be
that.
everything.
Not everything, but
Yes.
yeah, we've seen enough for this part, but we don't want to spoil out everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
And we're gonna play it. After the video, so I'm gonna play
No,
it.
me. It's mine.
Okay.
All right, so let's tell them the rule for the giveaway.
Giveaway rule is, as always, is so simple.
Oh, okay.
You just this is our YouTube channel, so
Right.
you must be subscribers. So you must subscribe, and what else?
What else? What?
Like we should give them a simple question, so they can comment. They can write it on the comment. Oh, what did you think about this Hangul edition keyboard?
No. How do you change the? Which key do you have to press to change the speed?
Speed.
Speed.
Okay.
No.
In Korean,
In Korean.
you have to write the answer.
Yes.
Okay, so you must be subscribed,
Right.
and you have to
Uh-huh.
tell us in Korean how to change the speed of
Of
this
the lighting.
lighting.
Yes.
Okay.
So
That's
it.
perfect. We'll
Right.
pick how many winners?
2 winners.
2 winners.
Yes.
Okay, 2 winners from the comment,
Mm-hmm.
and announce them very quick.
Yep.
Like in a few weeks.
Of course.
Yes.
3
Okay.
winners.
2 winners first.
Yeah, 2 winners first, and
Yes.
we will see.
Yes.
Yeah, we might hold another giveaway, but for this giveaway, 2 winners.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you
I don't
for
know how
watching.
long we have been
I don't know.
recording
I
this
think
video.
we got too carried away with this beautiful,
Right.
this beautiful
Well, you guys
art
must see in real life. It's
Yeah.
very beautiful. Very
and
satisfying.
the touch of the keycaps are really amazing,
Mhm.
and the sound is very quiet.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, thanks for watching.
Thank you for
and
watching.
Please join the giveaway.
Yes,
And
we will see you soon.
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 Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, Cokodivers.
Thank you,
Love you.
Cokodivers.
Bye bye.